Hey YouTube, 85cc Master here. No, I haven't been very active on YouTube past few months. Just been caught up in life and doing work. But in my absence, I got a new bike, a 03 YZ125. Got some spare parts with it. Scott's. 3 different rear sprockets, different sizes, extra brand new fork seals, works connection radiator braces, top end gasket set, and a few spare parts. Bike is pretty good shape, very clean. Suspension front and rear has been rebuilt and revalved. Top end's been rebuilt, brand new OEM Yamaha cylinder, Tusk Racing hubs and wheels, IMS 3-gallon tank, TAC graphic seat cover, got an OD lock on this side, really easy clutch pull. Here's the hour meter. It says 2.7 hours. Got it from a very good friend of mine that I work with at work. It's all serviced and ready to go. V-Force 3 reeds. Brand new chain and sprocket. And it's jetted spot on. It absolutely rips. Cleanest running 2-stroke I've ever owned. And I'll have helmet cam videos of this bike coming soon. And I also just finished rebuilding my upper pit bike track. I'll make a video of that also. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my new, to me, YZ125. Stay tuned for more. Have a good one.